Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant Stuck at 0.1 kbps per second while installing. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Valorant has stuck while installing or it is slow while downloading, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. For that, you need to right click on your start menu and you can see a task manager. Just click on the task manager. In this, if you find Valorant, you just need to close that. Suppose if this is your Valorant, just right click on that and click on end task and close this window. This was the first method, and the second method is just you need to open the control panel. Just click on the start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel and you can see network and internet. Just click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. You can see here change adapter setting. Just click on that. Here you need to select the internet from which connection you are using. If you are using through Wi-Fi, then select the Wi-Fi. If you are using through the LAN cable, you can select the Ethernet. Just right click on Wi-Fi. I am using through Wi-Fi, so I will select Wi-Fi. Click on properties. You can see here internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. Just double click on that. Select the second option, use the following DNS server address. Here you need to type 8.8.8.8. Come to the alternate DNS server box 8.8.4.4 and just you have to make sure you have check mark this option and click OK and close this window. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant Stuck at 0.1 kbps per second while installing or downloading. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.